Kijing tip bagi khobor ki baman la kasni na kwasi ka channel siang bahal subscribe na mnta.
Sir, M. Amparalindo, please.
Excuse madam. Sir, may I request you, sir?
I beg to lay a statement relating to a calling attention notice, sir,
Point of order,
Shri
sir.
Adelbert
The
Mamru
rule 300.
to the caption,
I refer.
state open quota
Rule
MBBS
54.
seats not
Rule
for
54.
outsiders,
5.
health minister.
How can honorable
unquote,
minister
sir.
lay
Yeah.
simply
Now we come to next call.
Deputy
attention.
Speaker, sir, you have asked me to
How come
lay.
the
Can
honorable
I please
minister
lay?
lay simply the reply without having without
Sir,
giving
we are
an
making a
opportunity
mockery
to
out
work.
of the system, sir. There is, the rules
You
are
are
very
playing
clear.
mockery.
So
You are the
rules
one
say
playing
that not
mockery.
more than one such matter, and the senior member, Dr. Mukul Sangma, has already, honorable member from
You
Sumsak,
should
has
not
already mentioned.
deprive my right.
Sir,
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
No one can take the privilege.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
You are playing mockery. You are the one playing mockery.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I think
Without
I
giving-
have heard very
without-
carefully
without hearing the member to present the
submission
matter.
made by
How can we accept
our senior
just
leader,
simply,
Dr. Mukul Sangma, that we have
just simply
to strictly
with
follow
the-
as per rules. Sir, I would like, sir, just a minute, sir. Sir, I would like to suggest like this. As far as to the honorable member from Shillong North, sir, I would humbly request through you, sir, that he should read the rules point by point, line by line. I think that is very important, otherwise we are just wasting our time. So please, sir, the other day he said that Deputy Sam, he's always expunge, but I have to say that as per the rules. So sir, I would humbly request him through you, sir, let him please study the rules.
Okay. As per Rule 54, Clause 3, Subclause 3, which says not more than one call attention can be taken up in the same day. This has been the practice and convention followed so far. On other call attention listed for the day, I have allowed for the minister in charge to only lay a statement, reply on the subject matter. So, minister in charge, you may do it, please.
Sir,
The matter is
sir,
closed.
please,
No,
just
I can
one
only.
class-
Speaker,
no,
sir,
just
I
one
have
class-
Please sit down. Please sit down.
This rule is
No,
Honorable Speaker, sir, I have laid my statement as per
no.
required.
Please sit down. Please sit down. The matter is closed. Please sit down. I will not consent.
What do you want?
The rule clearly says that only one call attention matter can be taken up in the same day.
the proposed matter shall be raised. I haven't raised. How can we?
No. You don't
accept the
no need to
reply?
raise.
Lay.
But
It
the
says
reply
lay.
is being laid.
Yes, understood.
The reply statement is being laid.
Because I have
Please sit down.
submitted to the
Please sit
office,
down.
to a steam office, just by reference.
Please sit down. This
the
is not
newspaper.
a way to
Reference of
conduct yourself.
newspaper. Newspaper is not a privilege. It is me privilege.
Please sit down. When the
It
chair
is me privilege. Sir.
when the chair is on his feet, you have to sit down. Please
You
sit down.
understand?
Sir, he has to sit down.
Chair
Mr.
is
Speaker, sir,
Chair
Mr.
is on
Speaker,
his feet. I
this
will have
is
to
a
advise
mockery,
remove you from this house.
completely a mockery.
The chair-
Please
the chair
understand,
chair
honorable
is
member,
on the house,
please
On
understand.
his feet. The chair
Please,
is on his
this
feet.
is
Please
not
sit
the
down.
place where we
Please sit
just
down.
playing drama.
Please sit down.
Please.
Please sit down. The chair is on his feet. When the chair is on his feet, everybody sits down.
Yes, thank you, sir.